Hey, today we got Gilbert Linderman's 1967 GTO 400 on the run stand. This is a WS code 400, punch 30 over. It does have the factory crank in. It's not a stroker engine. 670 heads on it, which are correct for a 67 GTO. Has the correct 1967 Quadrajet carburetor on it. Some of you might have seen on Facebook the repair we made on the secondary well plugs on this thing because they all leak on these things. The engine has, the cylinder heads have been ported on this thing. It's got stainless steel valves in it now. It's got a hydraulic flat tappet camshaft. Fortunately for Gilbert, whenever we started this build, I had some flat tappet cams left on the shelf, and we were able to use that. Today we won't use a flat tappet cam because of all the trouble that we're having with lifters coming out of China. So anyways, we're going to fire this thing up, let you guys listen to it. This has got our custom ground DCI Ram Air 4 cam in it, and it's 236, 244 with a 108 lobe separation and right around a 520 lift with a 1.5 rocker. Estimated horsepower on this thing's probably somewhere around, I'd say 425 to maybe 450 horsepower. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. Camshaft's got a really nice idle, and for a hydraulic flat tappet, it works really well. It has the same throttle response as a roller cam does. Got the factory correct 1967 intake manifold on this as well. Gilbert's going to put this in his 67 GTO with a 4-speed, and I believe he's got a 373 rear end gear in it, so it's going to be a fun little street car.